Hey, to customize lock screen in your smartphone with Android 15, first of all, I will highly recommend you to simply open the settings. So search in the settings in your app drawer or in the home screen. And now I will recommend you to go for the search settings and input this phrase, lock screen. As you can see in my case, after inputting the lock phrase, it's visible just right here in the display. So all I have to do is just to open it, and now I'm redirected to the lock screen. And first of all, I can actually show the privacy contact. So now I will get all content notification. But if I want to hide the sensitive data, I can select this, or for example this function. Also, I can add users from the lock screen. Then I can add or remove the lock screen text. So you can do this just right here by using your keyboard. Also, we can add the device controls, and you can adjust shortcuts. So we can set the left shortcut and the right shortcut. If you want to turn them off, for sure you can do this by clicking just right here. Next, when you scroll down, you can find the dynamic clock, so it actually changes the size according to the lock screen content. Also, we can find here the now playing function. So it works like Shazam. It actually recognizes the sound that are actually playing around you. So you can quickly turn it on, and this will be visible just on your lock screen. When we go back, we can also always show time and information. Here we can enable tap to check the phone. So when you just tap on the screen when it's turned off, we'll actually get the notifications and other info on the screen. And then we can enable lift to check the phone. Of course, it will be all turned on when the screen was locked. And here we can also wake the screen for the notifications. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.